In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger actions when a deal is marked as won in Pipedrive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate your workflows so that every time you close a deal, the next steps happen automatically without any manual effort. Let's get started. First, log into your Pipedrive account and look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click on the three dots icon to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Automations. This will take you to Pipedrive's Automation Center, where you can create workflows without writing any code. Once you're inside the automation page, go to the top right corner and click on the Add Automation button. This will open the Automation Builder. Here, you'll see three main parts: the trigger, optional conditions, and actions. Before doing anything else, give your automation a clear and descriptive name, like One Deal Follow-up, so you can easily recognize it later. Now, let's set up the trigger. Click on the Trigger section and choose Event-Based Trigger. This means the automation will run when something changes in your data. From the options, select Deal as the entity and then choose Updated as the event. This is important because when a deal is marked as won, it is technically considered an update. Next, we need to make sure the automation runs only when a deal is actually won. To do this, add a condition. Choose Deal Status and set it to Won. This ensures that the automation doesn't run for every update, but only when the deal reaches the won stage. With the trigger and condition in place, it's time to define the action. Click on Add Action and choose what you want Pipedrive to do automatically after a deal is won. There are several useful options here. For example, you can create a follow-up activity for your team, send an internal notification, update a custom field, or even send an email to the customer. Let's say you want to create a follow-up task. Select the Activity option, then configure the details such as the activity type, due date, and the person responsible. You can also use dynamic fields like the deal owner or organization name so everything is filled automatically. If you prefer, you can also add multiple actions. For example, you could both notify your team and create a follow-up task at the same time. This makes your workflow even more powerful and efficient. After setting up your actions, review everything carefully. Make sure your condition is correct and your actions are configured properly. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Activate to turn on the automation. And that's it. From now on, whenever a deal is marked as won, Pipedrive will automatically perform the actions you defined. This helps you save time, reduce manual work, and ensure that every deal follows the same consistent process. For best results, keep your conditions specific to avoid duplicate actions and regularly review your automations to make sure they still match your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.